This conference will now be recorded.
Any doubt? Anything you want to ask? You may ask. Your exam will be 6th, Wednesday, day after tomorrow. Same timing, 6:30 to 8. Okay. I'll show you how to log in subsequently. Okay. How to log in, how to take up the exam. I will tell you. Okay. Now to start
Sir,
with,
you told it
yeah.
was on 5th, no, sir.
No, 5th you wanted a change. Yes, Miss Chinmay. Originally it was scheduled 5th. You said you want to have a change, some artificial intelligence exam, something you came up. I wrote in the WhatsApp. We'll come up with a solution. Yes, Miss
Yes,
Chinmay,
sir.
anything you want to
Yes.
express? Is it fine? Taking the
Okay.
all of your thing into consideration, we slot it on. We fixed it on 6th. Any doubts? Any clarification you require? Please ask. Any topics you could not follow? Any topics to be recapped? Tell me. You can think and tell me. Fine. I have some MCQ questions to be discussed. Okay. I'll just what is that? Give you a feel of the paper, your examination. Shall we do that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, I'll read a question. Simple question. Okay. Okay. Please listen. Mr. Karthik. You can write down also. Okay, I'll not discuss many. I'll discuss quite a few so that you will be a bit aware of the pattern, whatever you call it. Okay, please write down the transaction. Mr. Karthik. These are exam, like your exam question. Okay. Mr. Karthik transferred rupees 1 lakh from Kotak Bank account to HDFC Bank. Okay. Please listen. Mr. K transferred rupees 1 lakh from Kotak Bank to HDFC Bank. What is the entry for this transfer? I'll not read out the choices. Let us discuss as a question. You tell me the JE for this.
HDFC bank account debit to Kotak bank account.
Okay. Any other answer? See, the answer given is correct. There is a thumb rule, all of you. There is a thumb rule for lifetime, not for today's class. What is that thumb rule is, if there is a transfer between two banks, wherever the amount or money is increasing, you debit that. Wherever the amount is increasing, you debit that. Other one, you know. If you go with that thumb rule, HD Bank balance is going up. That's why you debit HDFC. That's all. Next question. Shortcut used to activate calculator is shortcut or combination key used to activate calculator in Tally is
Control plus N.
good. Please listen or write down also. Mr. R. Mr. R withdrew computer from his business for personal use. Full stop. Computer is a fixed asset of his business. What is the JE for this transaction? Tell me the journal entry for this. You want me to repeat the question?
Sir, is it drawings account debit to computer account?
Perfect. Perfect, Miss Chinma, you are right. Okay. There will be MCQ. Nonetheless, you should know the entry. If you know the answer, just ticking is the. Next question. All of you, please take part. Which of the following which of the following is not a financial statement? A. Option A, balance sheet. B. Cash flow statement. C. Profit and loss. T, trial balance.
Trial balance.
Correct. Okay. So your exam, it will be on the same line. Okay, like this. Okay. Maybe a little bit tough. Okay. Tougher than what we are discussing.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me, Mister.
sir, one request, sir. Sir, is there a possibility like to postpone it by one day or something because so we can get time to revise also?
I'll take your point. Okay. I'll take your point. I will talk to our team. Fine. So it is Wednesday. You want to have it on Thursday?
Yes, sir. So it will be helpful for us to revise.
Yes,
Definitely.
sir.
I'll, okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Fine. Okay. You send me WhatsApp. What is that? Those who want to have on. Yeah. Those who want to have it on Thursday, you just after the class. Okay. You can just do WhatsApp that we want to have it on 7th. Okay. We'll consider and get back to you tomorrow. By tomorrow afternoon, I'll get back to you. Okay. After the class, you please WhatsApp how many of you are would like to have the exam on 7th. We'll consider and we'll confirm by tomorrow afternoon. Fine. Now I'll come back to this. So, how to take the online exam? All of you, please make a note in your book. Okay. I'll show it as steps. Please make a note. Okay. If it is Wednesday or Thursday, 6:30 will be the time. You should know how to take the online exam. Okay. I'll show you all of you. Please observe. Make a note in your book. So all of you. So we can do once, no problem. Also write the steps. You do with me once. So you go to Google. All of you, you are ready. Shall I start the steps to take exam? There
Yes,
in
sir.
Google, yeah. I'll tell. Please, all of you, make a note and do. You can do once. Okay, you do once. Okay, Xenox parent login. Please write down. Say, click on, double click on parent login. Now, all of you, you are in this screen. You do once along with me. Click on student login. Shall I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Click on student login. You give your mobile number. Okay, maybe now it might not be ready. Okay, observe. Okay, so I'll give my mobile number, sign in, 10 digit number, sign in. Please note, make sure it is NICT 72 colon Jayanagar. Make sure you are in NICT 72 Jayanagar. You don't do anything, just make sure. You don't select anything. Make sure you are in this. Give the password now. Please write on the password. Caps NICT 72. Sign in. So you will get a screen like this. Then you see there are three horizontal. Click on that. Double click on exam. Fine. Now, all of you, please write down the steps. Just last step to go. Click on view. Now click on this green thing. Say start exam. You can do till one point. Afterwards, don't say continue. This you can do, nothing will happen. I agree. You click on this, then say continue, but for timing, don't do anything, just abort. You have to click I agree, then say continue. Your exam start. For timing, don't do anything, you abort. You come out of this. All of you got this. Preferably take in your desktop or laptop. It has a more, it's a better, it has a wider vision. Okay. All of you got that.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine. It should not be a problem. Okay. Password is caps NICT NICT 72. Please note down, it will ask for a pin. After that, when you say continue, it will ask for pin. You give, please write down the pin is 123. Fine. That's how your exam is going to start. Fine. It should not be a problem. Okay. So now we have to, there is one more case left in TDS. Would you like to learn? We discuss fees for professional and technical service. Okay, there are around 30 sections. The often used are professional fee and payment of rent. Would you like to learn case 2?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Okay, I'll run through case 2, and maybe not maybe, and I'll discuss some more MCQ. Correct? No, I'll briefly sum it up, tedious thing, and I'll discuss some more test questions. So, rather than transaction, see the TDS on rent. I told you. Okay, if the rent per annum exceeds 2,40,000, if the rent per annum exceeds rupees 2,40,000, tax has to be deducted by the person who is paying the rent, that is the tenant, before giving it to the landlord at 10%. Section 194I, rent. See here, observe, rent on land, building, furniture. Threshold limit is 2,40,000 per annum. Rate is 10%. Okay, please read out transaction. So it's per annum. The IT Act says per annum. So last day of the financial year will record the transaction. So I am what? NICT Private Limited. Okay. So I'm I'm taken the premises on rent. Rent is 30,000 per month. It is 3 lakh 60 per annum. So as you know, if the rent per month exceeds 20,000, okay, there will be TDS. Fine. Please remember it is between company and individual. Company and company. Okay. Not the two individuals. I'm a faculty in ICT, I'm a lecturer, I'm a faculty. I take one apartment on rent. There is no TDS for that from an individual. Okay. The apartment owner, if he happens to be an individual, there will be no TDS. Only company paying to individual, company paying to company, there will be TDS. Write down the transaction. 31,324. Company paid rent to Mr. Anand, building owner, rupees 3 lakh 60,000 for the financial year 23-24. Full stop. Record the necessary transaction. Show TDS calculation, comma, report. Okay. So I'll be little bit fast. Since you are already exposed to TDS, I'll start. We have to define the section. 194I. 94I. 10%. 2 lakh 40. This is what the IT Act says. Now, Mr. Anand is the building owner. You have to pay him. Say yes. Who is Mr. Anand? He's an individual resident. Give his PAN number. You have to create separate for rent. As you know, otherwise things will get mixed up. So I'll say 94I. For the previous one, you could have suffixed 94J. Or you can write rent, no problem. Right? Rent itself, no, doesn't matter. Duties and taxes, TDS. Link it to rent. Now I'll record the transaction. So, as you know, the first one is journal, date being 31/3, 24. And 3 lakh 60. So Anand, see 10%. Just navigate. TDS. Being TDS deducted. Alright. Next one payment to Anand, one payment to, after seeing the report, payment to the department. Okay, Mr. Anand, punching the same amount. Again, just navigate, credit, bank, net banking, being the rent. Now, see the report and make the payment. Go to TDS report. 26Q is the report. Okay. See, balance is 36,000. You pay it. Start payment. TDS. Okay. 1 4 23 to 31 3 24 till 31 3 24 for the full year. Enter rent, as you know, non-company. Okay, that's all. Okay, this is also e-fund transfer. Being the EDS for FY 23-24. I did little bit fast, okay, because I had done the previous one. Okay, so like this, TDS, GST important. As I was telling you, if you know basic vouchers, like all those things, contra payment, little bit of GST, little bit of TDS, I can say, you can become entry level accountant. You can take up the job of entry level accountant. No problem, you can still manage. Okay, once if you're there at the workplace, gradually you'll pick up things. Okay. Any doubt in this, you please ask. You can ask. MCQ question, because I would like to, what is that, expose you to the exam pattern, test pattern. Mr. Please write down, note down, what on this. Mr. R returned computer that he had purchased because of damage. All of you, very interesting question. That's why I chose this. Mr. R returned computer that he had purchased because of damage. Full stop. In which voucher we can pause the above transaction? A. Purchase. B. Debit note. C. Journal. D. Receipt. Just by discussing this, you would have learned really something, not just this, something more. Come on, give me the answer.
Debit note, sir.
Debit note, sir.
Debit note is a correct answer. I would like to take this little bit further. See, please listen. Buying of fixed asset on credit, we have to record in which voucher. Know this once for all.
Purchase, sir.
I'll repeat the question. Buying of fixed asset on credit is recorded in which voucher? Chinmay, discuss. No problem.
Journal, sir.
Yeah. See, the answer you give debit note, that is correct. Okay. That was written, that's fine. Then, in that case, computer was a stock item. Okay. If computer were to be fixed asset, as you rightly said, buying of fixed asset on credit has to be recorded in journal. Buying of fixed asset on cash basis, payment. Also remember, In journal, there will be no cash or bank. That's it. Some two concepts we discussed there. Please write down. Z traders. Please write down. Transaction. Z traders. Bangalore. A registered dealer purchased Dell computer worth rupees 30,000 one number from Mr. Rahul, Mysore, Karnataka, who is an unregistered dealer. Fine. Applicable GST rate, computer 18%. Full stop. Next paragraph. What is the GST amount need to be paid to the government? What is the, I'll repeat the question. What is the GST amount need to be paid to Mr. Rahul? Okay, little bit advanced transaction. I'll give the choices. 5,400, two thousand seven hundred, option C 0, option D 30,000. Tough question. Okay, I'm telling you, I know the how a student think. So from a student perspective, little bit tough. Option 5,400 A, 2,700 B, 0, option D 30,000.
Sir, could you repeat the question from what is the GST amount?
Yeah. See, I'll just run you through the question. Z Traders Bangalore, a registered dealer, purchased Dell computer one number at rupees 30,000 from Mr. Rahul, Mysore, Karnataka, who is an unregistered dealer. Next line. Note, applicable GST rate 18%. Next line. What is the GST amount needs to be paid to Mr. Rahul? Now think and tell me.
Sir, is it zero?
5,400, sir.
Yes, Miss Siddhi, Abhinaya, you took part today along with Chinmay. Nice to know. Okay. Chinmay, what was your answer?
Zero, sir.
Why?
Sir, because Mr. Rahul is an unregistered dealer, so sir, he will not be able to collect tax.
Excellent, Chinmay. Really good, Miss Chinmay. Okay. Because this is supposed to be an advanced GST topic. If you buy from an unregistered GST, an unregistered person is not a unregistered means what do you mean by why it is now, Miss Chinmay, all of you, why Mr. Rahul is an unregistered dealer? See, we are discussing concept. All of you take part.
Sir, might be because he didn't like qualify for the registration under GST, like the threshold limit, certain limits.
What is the certain limit?
40 lakh, 20 lakh, and 10 lakhs.
Yeah, 40 lakh is the answer. Okay, 40 lakh for what is that? Rest of India. 20 lakh is for, that union territory, all those things. See, Mr. Rahul is not a registered dealer. He did not take registration because he doesn't do business crossing 40 lakh per year. That's why he's an unregistered dealer. Okay, so you will not collect any GST. Okay, you give 30,000, you give him 30,000, he'll give you the laptop, the computer. That's all. See, there is something called JC Road, SP Road in Bangalore. Okay, okay, they're all small. Okay, what are the small dealers? Okay, you go, you want to buy one pen drive. Okay, you just pay some 400 rupees, he'll give you. That's all. No, nothing, no bill, nothing. Okay, that's all. So like that. Okay, but since Chinmay, to some extent, she answered an advanced entry. Okay, this really advanced entry. See, there is something called reverse charge mechanism. There is something called, please understand all of you, there is something called RCM. See, first of all, I'm a registered GST business. I'm not supposed to do business with unregistered person. Please understand concept. If I do business with unregistered person, I will not get ITC. B2B transaction qualify for ITC. Only if you do, you got that. I should not have gone to Mr. Rahul at all because I don't get ITC, which I would have subsequently offset from the sale or other type of. If I get ITC, I can use it for other type nature of transaction also. So there is something called, I told you, reverse charge mechanism here, if you do business, I'm a registered person. If I do business with an unregistered guy, I'm supposed to pay GST to the government. Why? Because I did business with URD, unregistered dealer. Just know this. It's a little bit this one upper side. No problem. Nonetheless, you be aware there's something called reverse charge mechanism. Okay. So in that case, I have to artificially raise my ITC in my book and pay that amount. Then it normalizes. What did I do? I am registered guy. I artificially increase the ITC in my book, that input tax credit, and pay to government. Subsequently, that is available to me as ITC. When I raised and paid to department, it has normalized. It has become like any other B2B transaction. So that amount is available to me as ITC subsequently. Okay, little bit complicated. Okay, if you have got the thing, that's fine. Okay, it is actually CS syllabus. Okay, but if you have got, since I came across this, I just went ahead and explained one paragraph extra. Have it. There will be a simple question like this also. Liabilities plus owner's equity is equal to dash. I will not give the options. You tell me the answer. Liability plus owner's equity is equal to dash.
Assets, sir.
Good. Yes. Fine. So options would have been capital account, asset, net profit, current liability. So you're supposed to tick asset. Please write down the next question. Tally software can be downloaded from the dash website. So I'll not read all the things. Okay. So answer is okay, www.tallysolutions.com. Okay, make sure it is plural. Okay, no tallysolutionsoftware.com, net.com, something will be there. Don't worry, plain www.tallysolutions.com. Next question. Mr. V purchase vehicle from Sujay. Mr. V purchase vehicle from Mr. Sujay on credit basis. What is the journal entry to be made in the books of V, Mr. V? See again, okay. If you see, first thing is you have to get the thing correct. What I mean by that is whether vehicle is a fixed asset or vehicle is a stock. if vehicle is fixed asset, what is a journal entry? I'll say motor vehicle. Don't want vehicle looks a little bit vague. Motor vehicle. So much time. Miss Chinmay,
Yes, sir.
what
Sir,
is
is it
the?
purchases account debit to Mr. Sujay account?
Yeah, that's what. Okay, relax, no problem. See, you have to be really careful. If it is a stock purchase, you can. See, I told you there is an interpretation. The moment you use the word purchase, it is meant for sale. But here, motor vehicle is buying for business. So it will come under, in the balance sheet, it will come under asset side. Okay, it will be there, motor vehicle. If that is a, if with that thing going forward, it is motor vehicle debit to Mr. Sujay. Motor vehicle is coming to business. Like that, you have to be little bit careful here. Okay, nothing to. I'll take up some more question and discuss. In the meantime, any doubt, anything you would like to ask, please ask. I'll discuss one interesting thing. Match the following. Please write down. Match the following. I'll give first left side A B C D A. All of you, please make a note. Match the following. Left side A, storage of material. Left side B. First, I'll read out all the left side ones. B, transfer of material.
Can you repeat? B.
Yeah, yeah. B, transfer of material. First one was storage of material. B, transfer of material. C, parallel allocation of stock items. Very interesting. Last one, D, stock item with manufacturing and expiry details. That was with respect to left side. Now, right side, number one, stock journal. Second one, batch wise. Third one, go down. Fourth one, stock category.
Sir, could you tell the option C of left side? Parallel.
Yeah, parallel allocation of stock items. Come on, one of you. Fast. We can discuss more if you answer soon. Miss Chinmay, start. If you start, things will fall in place.
Storing of material is go down, sir.
Correct.
Transfer of material is stock journal.
Correct.
Parallel
Parallel
allocation of stock items is stock category.
Good. Left one. Left one is you
stock.
match it. That's all. Yeah.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. Stock item with manufacturing, expiry, batch wise. Okay. There is something called batch wise details. Fine. Good. That's how it will be. Okay. Now one more, please write. Under TDS. Very important. See, this TDS thing, GST, TDS, it practically happens in the business. You need to know. Please write. Form 16 is used for. Under TDS, form 16, 16 is used for. See, all of you, okay, I don't mind telling you this. It is not necessary. Okay, what is that? Only Tally should ask. He can ask about the software thing. I'll tell you what I mean by that. I'll immediately show you. Okay, general accounting, general taxation, like that. Yeah. Form 16 is used for A. TDS certificate for other than salary. No, this is a little bit thing. I'll give the answer. Okay, you just take it as a statement. Just take it as a sentence. Form 16 is used for. It's a TDS certificate for salaried employees. Know that. Form 16 is TDS certificate for salaried employees. Just know that. Other than salary, it is 16A. That's what you got to know. Leave it. Okay, don't want that as not a thing. Okay, 16 is for salaried employees. Other than 16 is other than salary is 16A. Fine. So I was telling you about the software. Please observe, all of you. See, you need to know this. Okay, top bar. Alt M is for email. Alt E for export. Alt Y data. Alt K company. This you need to know. Alt G go to. Alt G go to. Fine. Now there is something called migrate repair. There is a feature called migrate repair. Migrate means from Tally ERP9 to Tally Prime. You are migrating from older one to the new thing, new version. How to go? What is the path for that? Just see F1 troubleshooting. See repair migrate. So you need to know about the software. I mean the Tally menus. Also, you can get the same thing repair and migrate from Alt Y. You see the options given, accordingly you mark. See, this is backup, restore, split. Okay. Yeah, data synchronization. Okay, this is little bit, this is the last normally. And where do you find the language thing in Tally? Language, okay, option, whatever you call it. So it is under F1 help settings language. Fine. So regarding the vouchers, you need to know this is important. Other vouchers, function key for debit note. Okay, they'll ask normally. Okay, like that you have to prepare for your exam. Security control we discussed. Tally vault password. Now some more MCQ. Let me check up. On which date? Very simple. On which date GST was implemented in India? What is the start date of GST? Fast.
I know the year, sir.
Yeah, tell me the year, no problem.
2017.
Yes, Miss Siddhi, fine. 2017, correct. Of the battle is won, but
1st
you will
July
give first.
2017.
Yes, Miss Chinmay.
1st July 2017.
Yeah, okay. So you'll try to confuse you. You'll give 1st April 2017 like that. So 1st July 2017 start date of GST. Same simple in the same line. GST is a dash based taxation. Destination, origin, interval, tax on tax.
Destination.
Yeah, GST is a destination or a consumption based taxation. In GST or to report, please write down. In GST or to report, what detail will be captured? Tell me the answer.
Relating to purchases, sir.
Yeah. So what in GST it is called inward supply. Purchase, inward supply. Supply is the general term irrespective of goods or service. So the term is supply. Supply means it can be goods or services. One bullet point, just listen. TDS is one of the modes of collecting income tax. Just a bullet point. TDS is one of the methods of collecting income tax. So you have to preferably take the exam on desktop or laptop. Visibility will be good. Last 5 minutes. Any doubt, anything you would like to ask, please ask. I have some questions also. Listen, listen. Don't have to write. It will take lot more time. Account receivable and payable can be maintained by enabling which of the following feature in Tally? A or AP. They are called as A or AP. Account receivable, account payable can be maintained by enabling which of the following feature in Tally? I'll read out the option. Maintain stock category, maintain cost center, maintain payroll, maintain bill-wise details.
Bill wise details, sir.
Correct.
Could you please
Please
repeat,
listen.
sir?
Yeah. Account receivable and account payable can be maintained by enabling which of the following feature in Tally? So the answer is maintain bill wise details. I told you. Okay, a bill, please listen. A bill has four references: new reference, against reference, on account reference, advance reference. Okay, those things should be. Listen, N traders purchase goods on credit for rupees 30,000 from V traders on 1st August 2013 and agreed to pay the amount on 15th August 2023. In the books of N traders, this transaction will be recorded as dash. I'll repeat the question. See, this type you can expect. N traders purchase goods on credit for rupees 30,000 from V traders on 1st August 2023 and agree to pay the amount on 15th August 2023. In the books of N traders, this transaction will be recorded as dash. All of you, please, I have told you, do remember that always in the books is very important in accountancy. In whose book you are writing the entry or with whose book you are interpreting. Fine. Account receivable, bad debt, doubtful debt, account payable. Easy, not so tough. Miss Chinmay, Miss Siddhi,
Could you repeat it once? I didn't get it.
Okay, listen. Okay, 1st August 2023. Yen traders purchased goods on credit for rupees 30,000 from wheat traders and agreed to pay on 15th August 2023. In the books of yen traders, this transaction will be recorded as account receivable, doubtful debt, bad debt, account payable.
Account payable, sir.
That's all. Yes, Miss Chinmay. Straightforward. Okay, it should not take so much time. Okay. So with
Yes, sir.
this, we'll yeah, we'll close the what is that? Tally course for you. Okay, all the best to all of you. Do well in your exam. Okay, you put that request, you want it on Thursday. You put it in the WhatsApp. I'll forward it to you and I'll forward to the management and we'll inform you by tomorrow afternoon. Tomorrow afternoon we'll give you a when is the thing. Fine. So all the best to all of you. See you all sometime.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, miss.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, miss.